Hey boys and girls, I'm Mr. White from Spring Street Academy.
I'm Mr. Mack from West Highland School.
And today we thought we would play a round of golf. We are here at the beautiful Bacon's Par 3 golf course just outside of Amherst. And we thought we'd like to invite you to come with us to play this little round of golf. And we've got a couple of surprises for you while we play. Welcome to
Okay, boys and girls, Mr. White and I tried our best at golf on hole number 1. But what if you don't have a golf club or golf balls at home? What else could you use? So let's try a different skill at each hole at the golf course. Here comes Mr. White with our tickle trap.
We have an idea. We brought a wagon full of stuff. So we've got hula hoops and hockey sticks and soccer balls and tennis balls and all kinds of things. So it doesn't matter what you have at home. You can do the same thing. You can play golf, but just using something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our golf clubs away. We did the first hole using just our golf clubs and golf balls. And the next hole, we're going to try something else. What do you want to pick, Mr. Mack? Your choice. Hole number 2.
Frisbee.
Frisbee it is. Here we go. Okay, boys and girls. One little tip that I'd like to share with you when you're throwing a Frisbee is you turn sideways. You never stand, never let the target see your belly button. So if I'm shooting that direction, I don't face it with my belly button. I turn my belly button sideways so my hip is on the side. Okay, so now my side is going that way. So that's the first word we have to remember, is side. Now I'm going to take my Frisbee and I'm going to show my Frisbee to my target. So if Mr. Mack is over there and I show Mr. Mack, or if I'm going to the pin, the little flag, I point it to the flag. Now, so I've got my side and a show. Okay, so those are the first 2 words, side, show. Next, I touch my belly button with the back of my Frisbee. So now there's the 3rd word, side, show, belly button. Now my last word is the actual throw. So it goes like this, side, show, belly button, throw. All right, let's do that one more time. Side, show, belly button, throw. I'm going to do it this time, see if it works. Side, show, belly button, throw. There, it worked.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to give you another little tip about throwing the Frisbee, and that's how to grip the Frisbee. So if you can see my hand, my fingers on the side, that's my index finger. Okay, thumbs on the top, and 3 fingers underneath. And that is how we grip the Frisbee to throw it. Finger on the side, thumb on the top, 3 fingers underneath.
Boys and girls, some of the pieces of equipment that we're using today aren't going to go inside the hole on the green. So what we're doing here is we've just made up a rule that whatever we're using, if it lands anywhere on the green, that counts as being in the hole. Okay, so the golf ball had to go down the hole, but our Frisbee was way too big. So what we're going to do is, as soon as our Frisbee, if Mr. Mack's or Mr. White's Frisbee lands on the green, that's pretty good.
Okay, Mr. White, now that we finished our hole with the Frisbees, this hole is going to be up to you. What would you like to use on hole number 3?
I think we'll do the underhand throw. And Mr. White calls it a tick-tock throw. My kids will know what a tick-tock is. So we're going to tick-tock golf this one. Okay, Mr. Mac, what's for hole number 4?
I think for hole number 4, we are going to try to use the scoops. Scoop and a ball for hole number 4.
All right, hole number 4, scooping the ball. Let's go. Good shot, Mr. Mac.
Okay, Mr. White, nice finishing shot with our scoop hole number 4.
Thank you.
So it's your choice next. What would you like to do? And I just want to, before we start this hole, let's let our students know that this shot is over the water. So this is going to be a very tricky shot. So what piece of equipment are you going to use for this hole, Mr. White?
So there's a huge pond. Let's make it challenging. Let's use the soccer ball over the pond.
Ooh.
Going to be a tough one. Okay, Mr. Mac, great soccer kick. Your choice. What are we going to do for the next one?
We're going to give hockey a try on this next hole.
Alrighty, I love hockey.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. White, 3 holes left. So this is your choice. What are you going to pick for our next hole?
I think I'm going to pick my favorite.
What's that?
Hula hoop.
Hula hoop!
Woo! Downhill, slip. Okay, Mr. Mac, great hula hooping.
You as well.
You're a great roller. Our next one's a long one. What do you think? Your choice. You pick your weapon.
I think, since we already did an underhand TikTok throw, let's try the overhand throw with the tennis ball.
An overhand throw. Sounds good to me. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, for this hole, it's quite a long distance. So what Mr. Mac and I have decided to do is we're going to do an overhand throw. And the overhand throw, there's a little bit about this that I'd like for you to learn. And again, just like when we did our TikTok throw and our Frisbee throw, we turn sideways. I'm going to face my side to my target, not my belly button. I never ever turn this way, so I turn sideways. Now, instead of showing it out in front like I did with my Frisbee, it's not a side show, it's a side hide. So I'm going that direction, I'm going to hide the ball back here. So it's side, hide, okay? The next part after side and hide is I'm going to bring the ball up and I'm going to put it close to my ear, and that's where I say listen to it, okay? So it's side, hide, listen to it, and that brings your elbow up, okay? Side, hide, listen to it, and now I point where I want to go and I'm going to let it ride, okay? Side, hide, listen to it, ride. Okay, I'm going to try that one more time. Ready? This time I'm really going to let it go. Side, hide, listen to it, ride. There you go, Mr. Mac, you're up. Nice throw. Okay, boys and girls, I noticed something when Mr. Mac throws. You watch his leg that's closest to the target. The one that's in the front, he's going to lift it up and slam it down. He gets more power that way. So he side, hide, listen to it, and watch his front leg. Watch. He gets a lot more power that way. Good job, Mr. Mac, and he is on the green.
Okay, Mr. White, we made it to our last hole at the Bacon's Par 3 golf course, and you get the last choice of piece of equipment we're going to use at this hole. So what do you think?
Well, I've had a lot of fun with everything, but you know what? Let's try the badminton rackets and the birdies.
Yes. I was
Try
waiting
that?
for a racket sport. Let's give that a go.
Here we go. Hi, boys and girls. On behalf of Mr. White from Spring Street Academy,
Mr. Mack from West Highland School.
we'd like to thank you for coming along with us today on our round of golf. We had a lot of fun using all of the different pieces of equipment. And you can actually play golf just around your house as long as you have a target and you see how many hits it takes or how many throws it takes or how many kicks, whatever skill you like to practice, and you make it to that spot, okay? You can get a scorecard, make your own scorecard, and have lots of fun. Okay, we'd also like to thank the people from Bacon's Par 3 who allowed us to play our round of golf today and do this video. So thank you, people from Bacon's.
Mr. White, we were talking around as we played of a name for a game. Did you come up with a name?
I think we'll call this Golf What You Got.
Golf What You Got. I really like that. So it kind of goes with the theme. Use anything at home and you can use what you got.
Alrighty, Golf What You Got. Take care. See you next time.